No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is unknown. I'm starting with Inception because it is a high-information movie guess with distinctive year, rating, genres, actors, and director. I accept the cookie banner, focus the search field, type a short title fragment, commit the highlighted match with enter, and then click the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is green. The guess was Inception, a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red, farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the open dropdown. Rating is red, farther than 0.5 from 8.8, likely lower. Overlapping genres are action and sci-fi, while adventure is not on target. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and director Christopher Nolan show no overlap, so the target is a movie with action and sci-fi, not adventure, not Nolan, not those actors, and not close to 2010 or 8.8. Type card is green, and Inception was a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012, and rating is red with a down arrow, so it is below about 8.3. The target overlaps action and sci-fi but not adventure, with no overlap for the shown actors were Christopher Nolan. I will guess Blade Runner 2049 because it is a newer action and sci-fi movie with a lower rating and different cast and director. Type card is green. The submitted guess appears to be Blade Runner, a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red and farther than 2 years from 1982, with the target likely newer. Rating appears green, so the target rating matches or is very close to Blade Runner's 8.1. Overlapping genres are action, drama, and sci-fi. Harrison Ford, Roger Hauer, Sean Young, and director Ridley Scott show no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, has action plus drama plus sci-fi, is not close to 1982, has about an 8.1 rating, and is not Blade Runner or Inception. Type card is green, and Blade Runner was a movie, so target median equals movie. The year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1982, and the rating is green at 8.1. The target overlaps action, drama, and sci-fi, with no overlap for Harrison Ford, Roger Hauer, Sean Young, or Ridley Scott. Logan fits as a newer 8.1 rated action drama sci-fi movie with a different cast and director. Nice, the answer was Logan, solved in 3 guesses. The key clues were that it stayed a movie with action, drama, and sci-fi overlap, plus the 2017 year and 8.1 rating lined up perfectly after narrowing from Blade Runner.